Once again, rape convict Gurmeet Ram Rahim's hospital visit has created a controversy. In Haryana's Rohtak, patients were inconvenienced as rape convict Gurmeet Singh was brought to the hospital for a checkup. Entry to the hospital premises was stopped when rape convict arrived at the hospital. Ram Rahim was brought to the hospital after he complained of stomachache. So, information coming in from Haryana of VVIP treatment given to rapist Ram Rahim and preferential treatment when it came to accessing hospital facilities. Once again, the Haryana government's role has come under the scanner as well for providing this kind of access and free pass to Ram Rahim while other patients were made to wait. Patients were rather stopped from entering the hospital premises in order to make it convenient for rape convict Gurmeet Ram Rahim to enter the hospital. In fact, what is clearly visible is VIP treatment given to the rape convict in this Haryana hospital. Let me go across to Gurpreet, who joins us with more information. So, Gurpreet, we often question VVIP treatment given to netas, but here is a rape convict. How is it that the government or whoever the authorities in question are facilitating this? Does he still have that kind of clout that other people will just have to wait the moment he arrives and he gets free, easy access to these hospitals?
Well, this is not the first time that role of Haryana government has come under the scanner, because earlier, a few days back, we have seen that he faced a minor problem of blood pressure, and when he was taken from Sonaria jail to the hospital, special arrangement had been made by the hospital authorities. And when we confronted the local doctors, also the head of the hospital, she said yes, the directions were given by the local administration to provide him that VVIP treatment immediately. And at that time we had seen that there was a huge rush of the COVID patient. The patients were grappling with a lot of problem. Hospital doctors were also grappling with a lot of problem, but a special medical board has been set up to give him treatment. And this is the second time where we have seen that a lot of patients who are lining up in front of the hospital, they said that they had leveled a very serious allegation against this VVIP treatment being given to rape convict Ram Rahim by saying that they were not allowed to go inside. One of the patient who is on the stretcher, he has given a sound bite by saying that the authorities have asked him to wait for at least 1 hour because the special VVIP treatment is going inside the hospital. So people have come up against this VVIP culture which is being given to Ram Rahim. This is not the first, second, as I already told you, this is the second time this treatment has been given. That's the whole incident puts a question mark over the state government that if the rape convict is being given such a special treatment, what about the common man? What about the Aam Aadmi? That we have seen that when he has been brought in a cavalcade, especially the police convoy, and after that the whole hospital has been seized. No movement in the hospital. The patients were not allowed to go inside, and that's why all the patients who were present there, they were suffering. A lot of patients who have come up, they say that more than 1 hour they were forced to sit and wait for the treatment. So this should not be happened. The state government should make some guidelines on this issue. And when last time we confronted the top doctor of the hospital, she said on camera, she said that such type of treatment is not being given to any of the convict who are coming to the hospital. So the question is there any vote bank politics behind this thing? Is the government is trying to pacify Ram Rahim by giving such a VVIP treatment? So what was the compulsion of the state government to give him again and again VVIP treatment, and at the cost of the common man who has been suffering a lot for this VVIP treatment? So a lot of questions are being raised of the intentions of the state government.
Yes. Absolutely. You have exposed this very well, Gurpreet. The fact that authorities are facilitating this for a rape convict, that is very much exposed with the visuals that you are showing us, with the way Ram Rahim is literally welcomed in this hospital, everyone else being made to wait, and that's unfair, especially in a hospital situation where everyone is suffering equally. There is absolutely no need to give anybody preferential treatment, let alone a rape convict like Gurmeet Ram Rahim. Thanks for joining us, Gurpreet.